What if I told you that in just minutes you could step away from the noise of everyday life and into scenes that feel like living paintings? Today we are visiting two waterfalls in northern Ontario. One you can reach in seconds, the other you'll have to earn with a hike. Both unforgettable. But first things first, every adventure needs fuel, so we are starting the day the right way, with a hearty breakfast at a cozy, no-frills local diner. What makes it unforgettable? The pigs. Seriously, this place is a shrine to all things pig-themed. The windowsills, the walls, even the corners are packed with pig sculptures, paintings, and plush toys. The story goes that the owner's mother once had a beloved pig, and over the years visitors began bringing pig-themed gifts. The collection kept growing and now it's a part of the restaurant's charm. It's warm, welcoming and filled with character, a perfect pit stop before we explore the first waterfall, which is just across the road. Chippewa Falls isn't just a road gem, it's also a piece of art history. Back in 1920s, the members of the group of 7 came here to paint, inspired by the wild beauty of northern Ontario. Let's get a closer look at the falls. This is the raw force of spring in Ontario. Rivers unleashed, waterfalls roaring with snowmelt, carving their way through rock and forest. It's nature in its most untamed, breathtaking form. Fun fact, this spot marks the halfway point of Trans-Canada Highway 17. With picnic tables, washrooms and lots of parking, it's the perfect place to take a break and enjoy the falls. After a quick 10-minute drive, we arrived at the trailhead on Tribeca Mine Road, our getaway to the next adventure. From here, it's an 18-kilometer round-trip hike through the northern Ontario wilderness, leading us to the stunning Batchawana Falls. We tackled this hike on May 3rd, just as spring was waking up the forest. The trail still held onto the winter memory, patches of melting snow and huge puddles turning parts of the road into mini lakes. It definitely added a little wild twist to the journey. Despite the springtime obstacles, the hike had a calm, almost meditative rhythm. We walked to the soundtrack of rushing streams, frogs calling from the hidden pools, and birds singing high in the trees. Nature's own playlist. But as we got closer to the Batchawana River, the mood began to shift. The gentle sounds of the forest faded, replaced by the rising roar of rushing water, growing louder with every step towards the falls. Just before reaching the main falls, we got an unexpected bonus. A second, smaller waterfall pouring off a rock ledge, crossing the trail and joining the main river below. It was tall, beautiful, and powerful, and it left us with a giant puddle to wade through before the final reveal. After soaking in the roar and raw power of Batchawana Falls, I noticed something interesting. Google Maps was marking the falls slightly further up the trail than where we were. I'd been following the road on all trails, which pointed right here, but I didn't want to miss a hidden gem. So curiosity won, and we decided to keep going just in case there was a second set of falls waiting upstream. Spoiler alert! There were no other waterfall waiting for us. Artem even confirmed it with his drone, but still he let me chase my curiosity. As I followed the trail deeper in, the water calmed, the snow got deeper, and, well, that was it. No hidden falls, just a wild goose chase through spring slush. And that wraps up our double waterfall adventure. One just a few steps from the road, the other tucked deep in the forest. So now I would like to hear from you which waterfall stole your heart, Chippewa or Batchawana? Do you prefer an easy access beauty or the kind you have to hike for? Let me know in the comments below. Your feedback and support means a lot, so please subscribe to the channel and see you on the trails!